guys! So, I have purple hair now. I actually meant for it to be black, but I guess since my hair was so light, it decided to turn purple. Which is cool and all, I don't mind. I've had like every color hair before, but I'm job hunting right now, so I can't have purple hair. I have interviews and stuff. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to re-dye it. It's going to be black, hopefully. Because my natural color is like really dark brown, almost black. So I figured I'd try black since it's a little bit of a change, but not too much of a change. But at least for now, I'm gonna make the best of the purple and wear a cute outfit and cat ears that kind of match. Because why not? I like purple. I've never had dark purple hair before, so I can add that to my list of colors. Also, I want to show you my outfit because it's really cute today and it matches my hair really well. So, yeah, here we go. Yep, that's my outfit. Takeru's base. It's really cool and it also matches my outfit. Whoops. So I'm gonna show it to you because I have it here and he can't have it. Hey guys, today I am at one of my favorite restaurants, smoothie place, bubble tea, fruit store in Morgantown with Ariana. Hi! And Jenny. She's eating a muffin. Their muffins are really good. And I have a smoothie. Ariana has bubble tea.
Which is already like almost all gone.
Yes. And we also ordered crepes and we're waiting for those and then we're gonna go to Goodwill and do some shopping.
It's like hot chocolate. It's really good. This song was in James Bond.
Cute outfit!
With my butt everywhere.
Her butt everywhere, her butt everywhere. Butt.
Come on.